Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 414. Taking an analysis for crypto. More pullback. We're going to talk about that soon. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Link is in the description. You can also join me on Twitter. Link is also in the description. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being awesome followers and supporters of this channel. Let's get on with the show, right? A couple people tuned in. Yeah, awesome. Let's start going through crypto, man. Oh, dude, what is happening with market cap? It's going down, man. Why is market cap going down? Well, you had, and we know, we still developed this bearish divergence here. We knew there was a chance that we were going to break down on that. We were talking about that for a while. We're just going down a little bit, right? So yesterday we pulled back or moved down 3.48%. Today moving down 3.25%. But yesterday was 19.81 billion, and right now 17.88 billion dollars. Sitting at a market cap of 531.77 billion dollars. Bitcoin boss Andrew, BCH, please. Hey Andrew, how's it going? Let's do BCH, man. That's it, right? We're coming back to bot at 66.66. That's awesome. Now, again, in a bull trend, we do get movements down, right? A bull trend does not mean we're just going to go up to the moon and never move down. We have to move down. We got to get areas for accumulation. Hey, Steve, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Let's go check ADA. Sure, man. Put down the list as well. I'm going to go check out Bitcoin. What is happening with the Bitcoin? It's sitting at 18,277, right? Yesterday we were at 19,000. We moved almost 1,000 down between yesterday and today. Today, a little bit more violent to the downside, right? On failure of getting to this level. 2 days ago, we did get close to that level at 19,444. Yesterday, we actually wicked 9,500. So again, you know, we got to our area, pulled down on rejection, right? We hit resistance. That's why it's there. Where can we go? We talked about that. Very likely 17,781. That would be a target on that rejection. Bearish divergence still in play. Bought at 67.96. So we knew this could happen. We weren't like over optimistic, right? I wasn't being over optimistic yesterday. Link did pump up a little bit and then pull back down. I'm not sure if you were able to catch that. Or Steve on ADA, dude. I know ADA pumped a little bit and then pumped back down. Not sure if you were able to get an exit there. What is happening with Bitcoin? Or Ethereum. I can't remember which one. I tell you one of them was bullish, but it did pump a little bit and then pull back down. So we had the bearish divergence here, right? Action to the downside. We moved down, hit that 20, took a bounce. High, low, possibly a positive high on the other side to a lower high. Nothing really going on here, and we were live here, so we know that. Or no, we were live here. So we tried to rally. Look, we wicked resistance at 19,496. Moving down below 20, now we're rejecting it. Not necessarily what we want to see. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI. Are we lower? 44.55. 43. Yeah, it's 42 now. I'm not liking the small movement down that we're getting, right? It seems like a little bit like a shakeout, right? Like people are starting to get scared because Bitcoin's moving down. People are afraid that crypto might crash. You know, it's life, dude. It's market motion. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Anyway, sorry, the 4 hour. Hidden bullish, right? We could be getting a pump again. This could just keep on tracking down for a long time. Just keep in mind that we have it. And again, neutral at 42.51 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour now. On the 1 hour chart, let's see. We had the bullish divergence, right, last night. We were talking about that. We were live. We pumped. That was great. High. Lower high positive was positive. High on the RSI to lower point. Nothing here that would be bearish. But again, probably rejection of this area is getting us to move down. That's fine. Let's see the 70, 85. So low, lower low, negative, more negative. Low on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. And now we're hitting oversold at 28.14. I am going to show you something, guys, that I have not shown you before. It is an oscillator or an indicator that I'm playing around with. Let me see if I have the Gemini chart here for Bitcoin and go on to the same 1 hour time scale. This that I'm using here is called Super Trend. So right now, it would have sent a signal to get out of Bitcoin. Again, you gotta be like careful with it, right? It would have sent a signal to get out here, right, on breaking that green line there. So it would have sent a signal to get out at 18,701, which right now would seem to make sense. But when you were getting this pump, you were probably thinking, "Oh man, these oscillators like really messing out with me," right? Sometimes it doesn't trigger right? Look at this. It would have sent you to get out here, and then it would have sent you to buy up here. So you exit you exit it here, and then you're buying higher. But yes, if you would have followed it, you would have ridden that to the upside and then gotten out here. Was it a big increase that you would have gotten? Not very likely again, but it is a different tool to play around with, right? It tells you to get in here, and then it tells you to exit here. You would have gotten like 0.5%, right? But if you would have exited up here, So I'm not putting a lot of weight on this yet. I'm playing around with it, see how it behaves with crypto, looking for different edges for once we get above the 19,000 areas, right? Let's go check something else. Anyways, that's Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily. Oh, dude, look. We're moving down. Where to? 547, right? We're just breaking that. So we knew that was going to be a support, or breaking below it slightly. There's still a chance we could come back that in the day, come back up and try to close there. If we don't, we're looking for a 507.73 test. Higher, positive, or positive, high, and there, set to a higher point. It didn't have anything bearish on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had that bullishness, right? And we pumped slightly more for the next couple 4 hour candles. Even the 2 in the morning candle was slightly higher, and then we just broke down. Again, this move is because Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto is probably moving down. Like, this is not voluntarily on its own. It does have the strong bearish divergence. It had the hidden bullish. And even to here, it still has hidden bullish, right? So again, there's still bullish divergence here on the 4 hour chart. But now we also have it against the RSI, right? So there's that chance for bullish divergence to still kick in. Now, on that note, sitting sold at 38.22. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, look, we had the bullish divergence last night. We called it one more candle. There we go. There we go. We didn't have it against the RSI. Did we get it here by the end of this candle? 293, 317. So no, we kind of killed it, right? We're looking for that bullish divergence. We got rid of it. We still managed to get that small bounce, hit the 20, and then reject it, right? That was a move that we were calling for when we had the bullish divergence here. Maybe for a test of the 20, if we get above, a retest of that 619. We didn't. We're moving down. Sitting at 547. Or below 547, 541 right now. Are we doing something bullish? Oh, dude. Let's see. We have an island here. So, low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on there. So to lower low. Nothing really, dude. Just oversold at 21.12. That's about it for Ethereum. It doesn't have anything bullish right now on the 1 hour chart. Let's go check out XRP at 59.45 cents. Am I liking that? No. We're getting to that danger zone where we're breaking below this level, dude. Is that double top still in play? Probably. Not liking it, though, right? Again, still above that 58.72 area. Again, I got a chance to get out again today. Or yesterday, we wicked this area again, We got above it slightly by around midday or so. Move back down, dude. I'm not liking the way XRP is behaving. But if you look at this in the macro, we're moving up. We're starting to consolidate, right? It's not a flash crash. Consolidating, so we knew that was going to happen. Nothing here on the daily to look at. Just overbought at 74.81, and again, we probably want to get to neutral before we try to rally again. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Where are we on the 4 hour chart? Look, still managing to hold on support. We held support here in this last candle. Not liking that. We're still moving down again, like I said, right? Around 6 in the morning and then midday, right? 10 to midday is where we're getting back up on this level. I was going to exit a little bit more. I didn't. I was dumb. I should have exited here. Another bit of my position. Right now, I'm trying to determine whether or not I want to exit here. But I haven't done the analysis. Right, look at this. Low, higher low. And I'm hoping that this divergence, right, this hidden bullish that we're creating, will be enough to give us some support at this level, man, at that 58.72 area. And then here we're also, what is this, 53.99, 52, slightly less. We also have that hidden bullish here, right, against the 4 hour RSI on Bitcoin, on XRP. Had the bearish divergence yesterday, right? We talked about that. We tried to get that rally, it was fine. Then moved down on the 1 hour chart. Let's go check it out there, man. XRP in the 1 hour, right? We had this double top potential. I said potential, right? Because we hadn't triggered, we hadn't done anything. Then today we got this wick, dude. Here I was like really starting to get worried about this, right? Well, it wasn't good, man, right? And then we got this small rally here around 3 p.m., right? This was midday, right? Like I told you guys, we were getting this small rally here, determine whether or not I wanted to get out. I didn't. I was hoping we were going to bounce here. Then we found support here. Just the next candle we opened red, and I just went to hell there because this candle really almost had me step out of my position, and I would have stepped down here. It would have been a bad time because I would have had to buy back here higher, or for this to drop lower. But right now it seems like it was a bad idea to exit here. Haven't exited. We're like high. Now we're coming to a lower point here, right? And again, I was striking throughout the day, and now we're coming here as well. We don't have this against the RSI, just sitting sold at 63.31. Again, waiting for this strong bullish divergence to kick in and hopefully get the price action to the upside. Again, this could still trigger here. This will just be slightly more negative momentum, but still have that bullish divergence strong. And see if this is going to trigger price action to the upside, which I'm hoping we get. Again, tomorrow it's Thanksgiving. I best, dude. I was betting with my brother. I said, like, dude, probably China is taking advantage that a lot of people like work half day today and like they're home and they're relaxing and chilling, and they're just probably like dropping the market just so people can come in and try to sell and panic and they can buy it back up. That's a joke that I have because it seems like every time there's a holiday, most of the times there's a holiday, at least from what I have seen, there seems to be crypto drops, right? Like Thanksgiving, Christmas, dude. 2018 Christmas, we got like massive drops, right? Binance dropped to $4, right, on December 2018. So it's for me, at least it's a conclusion I'm getting to, is that someone knows there's holidays and they tank the market on purpose. That way, when people come back in, they have less value, or they're holding on to less money, right? That's the way I'm seeing it, anyways. Nav! Well, yes, Martin. Hope you been well, mate. Yeah, I'm glad to crash. Glad to catch us. Yeah, dude. Thanks, man. Thanks for being here. Streams have been going on lengthy for the last couple of days, but thank you guys for being here and being awesome supporters, man, and followers of this channel for real. So if you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that stuff. Don't forget to do those things. Shopify, excited to be here tonight. Well, I'm excited that you're here tonight, Shopify. Thank you for being here. Let's see what's happening, dude. Again, right, we're determining right now, we have strong bullish divergence against the MACD, nothing against the RSI. Trying to see if this is going to pop. Again, this from a shorter time scale. I was looking at smaller time scales today, the 5-minute chart. Because I'm trying to catch some moves. And like I told you guys, I'm trying to use a new oscillator, or indicator, to see the moves, right? And I'm not 100% convinced it's working out for me yet. At least from what I have seen. I'll show you guys in a second here for XRP. This is the super trend, and again, it would have sent it in here a buy, which of course it would have played out beautifully with an exit here, right? So here it would have marked a sell right around 61.79 on November the 24th. So you would have missed all this action, but right now it seems to be right because we are technically slightly lower, and the one that I have down here is Fisher 9, and again here it's a little bit easier to tell. Every time you get a cross of the blue over the red, you get a pump, right? Or every time you get the red over the blue, you get a dump. So here, like we got that, and then we drop, right? And then we got that, and then we pumped, and then we got under, the blue got under the red, then it dropped again, and then here it pumped, and now it's going down. And here it had like a small cross, but it's like going down again. So once this cross is over, I want to be looking for a move up, and probably once we go up and we start to get that cross or confirm getting that cross, I might be looking for an out. I'm trying to see which one of this I can play better for small moves and quick gains on crypto. I'm not going to do it with our XRP, but I'm going to do it with RSR very likely, at least first, to try to see how or if I can do something with this. Again, this sent out on RSR earlier yesterday, and then today in the 5-minute chart, and I was around 22 when it sent the out on the 5-minute chart, and I didn't go in because I'm still trying to determine whether or not this is going to be a good indicator. But if I would have obeyed that on the 5-minute, I would have saved a lot. I would have been able to get out here, right? Look, even here, here was when it sent out around 22 up here. But see what I tell you? Sometimes you don't get the best read because here it's telling you to buy back in, right? So if I told you to buy up here, right? Now it's telling you to sell down here, so you're buying high, selling low, right? And then it tells you again to buy here, and then it asks you to sell here, right? Or it asks you to buy here, and it told you to sell here, so you're selling slightly lower than you got in. So I'm not considering this to be too reliable, at least on some time scales. Again, I'm playing with it. Here the sell was right. Look, it told you to sell at 2.0, and it's dropping, right? So for it to tell you to buy, it has to go to 0.18. And this looks like it still wants to move down. So again, looking at different stuff to try to, like, you know, get different feedback, right? Try to see if there's something I can work with to also add on to what I'm doing, and see if there's something I'm missing that some of these other indicators are, you know, catching on. Anyways, we can get that move down. I do hope that we close above that 60-cent area. I don't want to see this trigger. Although I don't believe we're doing that head and shoulders, right? Because we, not head and shoulders, but that double top. Because, you know, we tried to rally, but we didn't quite get that high. I'm worried, dude, that if we drop below this area, we could be really heading for that 47 mark. So if it drops below 58, I'm probably gonna step out of my position quickly. And it is very, very close to that target right now. It's dropping, dude. So I do have my exchange open here on the side, and I do want to probably close a portion of my position now. But we do have a couple minutes left on this chart. Are we going to get pulled back up, man? That is a question, though, right? Are we going to get pulled back? The candle seems to be coming down too quick. Sorry, guys. I am trying to make a play here, so I'm trying to see how my exchange is behaving, because, you know, it's weird, dude. Like, I want to do something. I set sell, and then, like, are you sure you want to sell? And by the time I do that, the book already moves again, so it's just and really let me jump to the top of the book. It's pulling back up a little bit, not too much. Again, that strong bullish divergence still there. Let's go to the 30-minute chart and see what we get there. Let's see if we have something bullish as well that we can try to rely on. Yeah, short term, look at this, right? In the half-hour chart from here to here. Again, I rarely go into this smaller time scales, but being that, well, with what's happening with crypto, I am doing this right. And look, we're still moving down farther. Dude. That's it, you know, right now. So the 15-minute chart, see what we got there. Do we have something bullish here? Yes, we also have bullish divergence here, strong. I'm hoping one of this kicks in and pumps us back up prior to the, like, hour candle closing, right? So not super excited for what's happening right now. Right, that's why the name of the stream is more pullback, question mark, because we are likely getting more pullback right now. Does the 5-minute have anything bullish? Dude, I didn't even look. No, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point, right? Nothing here. You're just oversold at 21.98, dude. And we just keep on dropping at 55. Like, when I tell you it was 58, now it's 55.7. I should have exited where I said that shit, man. Damn it. Now I'm waiting for that pullback, and that pullback could probably just get us to this level again. Waiting for this to settle a little bit, dude. So I'm trying to play here on the side on my exchange. I'm going to sell half of the position that I have left. Again, we might get some pullback. I'm waiting for that to trigger or kick in. It's just not happening fast enough, right? So, sorry if I'm stalling here on the stream, guys. I am trying to get back into this position. I'm waiting for this pullback to bring us up slightly higher. Right, and again, look at this, right? On the 5-minute chart for this, it would have told me to sell here at 61, and it was right. Look, it's moving down to 54, almost 10 cents. And remember how I told you dropping for here would mean that we could come to 47? Bitcoin dumping like a banshee. Yeah, dude. We're getting pullback. I told you guys we're gonna get pullback. And all this is happening because Bitcoin is moving down, right? It's not because these coins are not strong. It's not because of anything. It's just Bitcoin moving down. It's bringing these prices down. I'm worried we're gonna go to 47 cents. I think I'm gonna step out of half of my position. I'm gonna wait for a little bit of pullback to happen. I'm still setting up here on the side. My trade, because it just keeps on moving, dude. I'm not able to catch it. But every time I try to trigger it, it moves farther down, and it's just not letting me catch it. Now it's not even loading, dude. Why does this exchange not let me do what I want to do, man? Like, I'm going to refresh, and it's probably not going to load. So I'm starting to get tired of having my money on this exchange. I wonder if all other exchanges are crashing on people just coming in. Again, sometimes this happens because people start to place longs, and the price moves down, and all those longs get liquidated. And what happens when the longs get liquidated? We have these flash crashes, and then we get this nice pullback that comes back almost halfway through the candle. So I'm targeting up here maybe. We're starting to get that pullback happening. But my exchange is really not loading, dude. It's just not wanting to play ball. And I know my internet's not sucking because I'll show you this. Or maybe my internet's sucking. I doubt it, though, because I got new ISP today, by the way. And although it's waiting for a little bit to load here. Come on. Look, see, it takes a little bit to load, but patient responsive, so I cannot. So my speed is fine. Earlier today I was triggering 200, so. So it should be fine. Upload and download are fine. But the exchange is just not playing ball. It doesn't let me reload the exchange. It just says it's unresponsive, right? The website is unresponsive. That's it. It's just weird. So I know my internet's not the problem. It's just I really, really hate this stupid ass exchange. Sorry guys if I'm cursing, but it's really annoying. And I cannot go in and every time I've tried to place a play, either I have to go and sell at market because it doesn't let me catch up to the market, or it's just weird. And again, same stuff that was happening yesterday, not loading, right? Again, stupid exchange, dude. Oh, cool. Now it even logged me out of my account. Sorry, guys. I don't like logging into accounts when I'm here live, but I do have to log in because I'm looking for an out on XRP. So sorry about this. My password to the exchange is super long, so I have it written down. So I know I'm gonna forget it, right? Focus on the trades, don't worry about the stream. Yeah, dude, I know. The stream is part of the trade, though, right? I mean, the stream is part of what I'm doing. So, again, and then 2FA, right? So, I told you every time I try to. Wow, Bitcoin. BTFD. What is BTFD? Bitcoin, Jake. Again, remember, longs get liquidated, pullback happens, right? So if a lot of people are placing longs in Bitcoin, that's what's happening. What? Beyond Fitness, XRP? Yeah, buy the F and dip. Yeah, buy the F and dip, right? Oh, Boomer, you're here. Thanks. Yeah, sorry guys. I'm a little more worried with what's happening right now and trying to exit off a position than with what's going on right now on the stream. Sorry guys, I am looking here. I am here, but I'm logging into the exchange because it logged me out, and it's just weird that it just every time I want to sell, it it asks me to confirm. So by the time I want to do that, I'm already out of the position. I'm already the order's already moved. Or the book is already moved, so it just takes forever to get shit through on this exchange that I'm working with, dude. It's just annoying. Either that or I have to go on the book and sell it. Are Asians markets dumping or what, dude? Well, maybe. It looks like it, right? It's 9 a.m. for a couple Asian places, and they're dumping. Freaking Asia, right? Dumping on us. How dare they dump on us? Here also last night, look, we had that small movement down. Right now we're getting it. Let's wait for pullback, man. Again, if XRP cannot close above 58.72, we're looking for a movement to 47.56, 47.54, right? That would be the target, man. So that's why I'm hoping for some of this pullback to happen. 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 1. So we still have this strong bullish divergence, but we're almost getting rid of it. The 5-minute chart is still gonna look scary as hell, by the way. Alright, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Right below 20. Nothing bullish, man. Maybe from way back here, though, right? Look, low, lower. But again, it is a 5-minute chart, so a lot more volatile here. Now we have this strong bullish, right? 690 and 716, so we don't have it here. I was going to check out that 15-minute chart, see if we had that divergence. We were looking for it. I know we probably lost it. No, we still have that strong bullish divergence here. Great. And we still have it here. So we could start to get some pullback happening here on bullish divergence. Let's go to the 30-minute. Sorry if I'm not looking at the chart. Guys, control your positions if you're overexposed. You should set the sell at an even lower price before that. It's just driving people out of their positions so they can have all the cryptos. Probably, dude. Probably. It wouldn't be weird if institutions were doing something tricky like that, right? So this is from the 15-minute chart. I just forgot to anchor. That's also from there, I guess, right? No, this is from the 30-minute chart. Great. So we're dropping lower. And now the bullish divergence that we're looking for here, we no longer have because, we're making slightly more. So, 663, and this is 882. So, yeah, we no longer have it here on the 30-minute chart. And it's pushing it back down, man. Again, 52. One, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 40, right? We no longer have the bullish divergence here. We're getting rid of it. That's what I want pullback to happen. Remember how I said if we confirm this, the target would be here at 50? We got very close to it. We're getting very, very close to it. And then if we lose it here, we'll get 47. Look, at least a 5-minute. Looks like he wants to go up, right? A strong bullish, but not looking too good, right? You would expect to bounce. What is going on here? I never made a get panic sell. Right? Yeah, I'm not panic selling. That's why I'm waiting. 88 just died. 16, 12 cents. All right. Is Bitcoin looking for the 21 on the daily? And I bought more in this at 16 cents FML. We'd be expecting a bounce there. Yeah, I'm waiting for this to happen. Right, something happened here. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. Look, we could try to do a recovery. I'm not sure how good it's going to be though. Also, I'm not panic selling. Soka, people taking profits for Black Friday shopping. Yeah, probably, dude. Right? People are selling so they can buy stuff. I was chatting with Soka today when we got this small drop on Discord chat, or on voice chat on Discord, and I got this move, and I said, look, if we don't close above here, we're looking for a movement down. We did manage to move up, and we tried to recover slightly. We found resistance at 65, 637, and then we're moving down again. I'm not liking this, dude. I'm not liking this. Now we have that bullish divergence again. 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 1, 6 again. You know, next candle might still create more movement, more negative momentum, right? So, not super happy for this, man. I just should have gone with my instinct and gotten the hell out of Dodge yesterday. Even today in the morning when I woke up, we were like up here, right at the 70s. Today it's dropped a lot, dude. From 70 to where it's at right now, right? 24% drop, man. Right? 21 is around 17K in your daily, almost there. Let me check, dude. And again, this is all happening because Bitcoin is moving down. Remember, we talked about stuff happening for Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin chart. It is pulling back up, though. Let's see if we can close support at 17,781. And the 20 on the daily. I don't have the 21, I have the 20. So, yeah, we're very, very close to it. Also, we happen to hit 17,225, right, already. So, look at that low. 17,196 within a couple dollars. So, we're finding one support. We're trying to ride it back up. The question is, are the other cryptos going to follow, or is Bitcoin just going to recover and the other cryptos will be screwed, right? That is the question right now. I'm hoping that Bitcoin gets above, but it still has 60 minutes to go. We could still get more forces of negative coming in and pushing this down. Sorry, guys, I'm going to get a starburst. So we just hit this area and reject it. And then a small movement down, right? We need to get above this area. If we don't get above 17,781, we're really looking for a move to 17,200, maybe to settle here. Or we can go to 16,000 and change. So, I'm not liking this pre-Thanksgiving market move. Black Friday discounts, 21 around 17. Yeah, people are going to look for that crypto 24% discount, right? But see what I'm talking about? Like, Bitcoin has just moved 5% down, right? Or 4% in a day. 5%. And XRP, it's tanking 12%. Yesterday it was tanking like 20+%. Why is XRP so... that's a classic double top. Yeah. Why is XRP... Why is XRP so volatile, right? To susceptible to market movement, right? Look, Bitcoin's not really going to hell. It just dropped 5%. Why are XRP people so scared to drop 13%, right? Astros Leia, does Black Friday affect crypto? Well, apparently it's going on sale. Look, we're pulling back up, dude, right? We're getting above that 17,781. That's good. Let's get above. Let's look at other cryptos, man. It's XRP getting above. It's not nowhere near getting above this area, right? So it's not pulling back as well. Bitcoin has pulled back a good chunk of its wick, and XRP is not doing it. Ethereum, I'm not even sure, dude. 524. We're in no man's land. We came here, found support at the top of the channel, and moved back up. Also support at 507, right? We called this as we were doing this. I said, look, if we break below here, we're very likely looking for, or we might have been somewhere around here. I said, look, we're looking for 507, right? So we already hit that. This XRP hasn't hit the target that I called for, but that's fine. We're pulling back a little bit, 55. And we're going to start a consolidation. I don't like this drop. I told you, it's too high, too quick. We're going to get pulled back. We were talking about that a couple days ago. Dude, ADA minus 20. XRP, thanks. Barely moving. Yeah, alright, cool. I want to go check out ADA, man. Although I did get a request for BCH first from Andrew, but let's do ADA real quick because you said it's moving down a lot. 14%, man. It's not that bad. Again, rejection of this area. We talked about that. We're moving down, breaking below this area here, whatever this is, the 13.94 cent area. Trying to pull back up, right? That would be the 786. That's why I was getting confused with this other line. Do we have bearishness? No. Higher, higher, higher. Everything was good. We're just overbought as hell. Now we're neutral. 54.90. 55.90. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, look, we managed to bump slightly higher. We managed to go from here to here. We managed to go from here to here. Strong bearish divergence action to downside moving down. Nothing bullish. So hidden bullish, sorry. From here to here. Just anchor this here on the 4 hour chart. People are scared, man. People are scared. Because crypto's moving down. Never fear, we are here. We've been on the rise. We've been on the drops. We've been around the block. Look at that, hidden bullish. Let's see if it kicks in and manage to pump this back up. That's it. What's happening here with ADA, dude? Oversold at 23. Now we're coming lower, more negative, lower on the other side. Nothing bullish here. Do we have something bearish? High, low, positive, positive, high on the other side, lower. No, nothing bearish, right? Just rejection here at that 76 and 17.15, right? So moving down. Or this used to be the old 100% move, I guess. Right? Yeah. Pulling back up, right? After hitting that. What are we hitting here? What is my yellow line here, dude? My 1618, right? 120, so that's fine. What? 30-minute candle almost green on XRP now. Great. Thanks, Crypto Boomer. I'll go back to that. NAV, this is amazing. XLM went down also. NAV. I finally caught one of these dips when I was sitting in US dollars. Instead of getting bent over. Yeah, still more blood in the streets to be had, I think. I'm watching. Yeah, I do believe there's still going to be more blood in the streets coming in. That's real quick for Cardano, dude. Let me do a BCH because that got requested at the beginning of the stream, and I skipped over it. I'm skipping over a couple coins, guys. That's fine. We can go back to them. This was requested by Andrew. He's also a regular, so, you know, I'll do this real quick. Higher. More positive, higher on the other side. Everything was good. There was nothing bearish. Again, pulling back down, but pulling back down a lot. Hit that 20, below 20, but finding support around 260, pumping back up. 287.50 for Bitcoin Cash. Neutral at 53.08, and nothing bullish here, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence right on the 4 hour chart. Look at that. Higher. Then lower here, right? And then lower here as well. So strong bearish divergence, actually the downside. Low, higher, low, and yep. Hidden bullish, right? A lot of cryptos having this now. Because they all follow Bitcoin, right? The old Bitcoin trick. What's Bitcoin going to do? That's what I tell you guys, right? We can have bullish divergence, but if Bitcoin drops, everyone's going to drop, right? And right now we're at that stage where there's a lot of fear, a lot of greed out there. But for me, that means that, you know, the market could move down, right? When there's a lot of greed. Look at the greed index for Bitcoin, right? Extreme greed, 93. Right? Yesterday, extreme greed was 94. So we know when the extreme greed is in, we do get crashes, and that's probably what's happening. Again, a lot of lungs getting liquidated, and this is what happens when lungs get liquidated, right? You open here, this move down, then lungs got liquidated, and when they get liquidated, they have to be bought back or sold. So they all get sold, right? And we get these drops, and now that the market's more or less settled, we pump back up again. Crypto Boss Andrew, thanks. Yeah, no worries, Andrew, dude. That's what we're here for. Let's do Bitcoin Cash in the 1 hour. I haven't finished. 325 to 294. All right, cool. So here to here. And this is the 1 hour chart. Here to here, right? High to low. High to low. Strong bearish divergence. Action down. Tried to rally. Felt to go higher than the previous height. Dropped. Now, negative. More negative. Low on the other side. Lower point. Oversold at 21.89. That's it. There's nothing bullish right now. At least not on the 1 hour chart. Let's go back to XRP because, you know, someone said, or Boomer said that it's going higher. Buy Ethereum, Astroslaya saying, buy Ethereum at 510 to 520. Yes, Astroslaya, thank you for being here, man. I'm not sure if you're subscribed to the channel, but if you're not, hit that like, that button, that sub, and welcome to the stream. What else? Yeah, XRP, right? That's what we called for. Let's check out XRP again. How much is it pulling back up, dude? Quite a bit. Quite a bit from where we're at, right? I told you. That's why you don't panic sell. If I would have sold here, I would have gotten wrecked. because I would have had to buy back up here. So now I just gotta like look at my position and analyze what I want to do, right? That's how it rolls. Bought a sub, thanks. Awesome, bro. Soka, I feel like crypto market is just moving on FOMO at this point. It's kind of irrational. Yeah, it is moving on FOMO, bro. I agree with you. No longer positive on the half hour, right? Almost pushing back up. Let me look at something here. Remember I told you guys about these other stuff that I have. I want to look at the Fisher for XRP. Look, why are we moving back up? Right, Fisher get a cross, right? Remember how I told you Fisher works? When the blue goes over the red, we start to move up. So on Fisher, we got that cross. That means we're going to recover. Where could we be targeting here? I don't have the 20 because I already have too much stuff going on here. But what I can do also is bring out my ribbons, and on the ribbons we're below all the ribbons, right? So we don't have a lot of stuff going on here. And here we got a cross of a. I gotta look this closer though. Make sure I'm talking about a real cross. Not that's that red line here. So I had hidden this because it was getting really weird with the super trend. Here, right, or green came under, or yellow, right? That means that the slower time frame is better, right, than our faster time frame. So we got under the faster time frame, right? That's being green, and that is a death cross, and part of the reason that we're moving down here. Now, are we gonna get a golden cross? Not yet, but at least we're moving up. Where could we go? Maybe here, right? Sometimes we tend to hit targets here, but it's still recovering at 56.97. Again, not panic selling. Like I told you, we still have a couple of minutes to go on this 30-minute chart. An XRP 30-minute chart said sell on November 24th, right? And we have not gotten back to a buy. Here, probably a weak buy, but, you know, we got rid of it. On the 4-hour, here, I'm going to hide the super trend because I don't care about that right now. I'm just looking for where are we at with regards to nodes, right? Sorry, to moving averages. So we are below all averages. That's not good. Again, death crosses all over the place, right? The 20 under the 50. Here we got something okay, right? We got the what is this one, dude? This must be the 100 going over the, oh sorry, no, it's the same thing, right? The slower going over the faster. So the 100 got over the faster time frame here, being the faster time frame, the 50 moving average, and that is why we're moving down again, right? Look at that, we had that, and then, you know, oh no, and then we move down on that death cross. Right now we're trying to recover, that's fine. XRP on the green. We still have a lot to recover on this 1-hour chart. We're not going to recover a lot, but at least we're recovering half that drop. And again, that's it. Let's get that super trend back up because that's something I'm trying to like determine whether or not I want to use it for part of my analysis on my day-to-day basis. But so far undecided. Let's play something else. Let's play this track. But it's something, this last comment we have. Great stuff. Red again. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, XRP. Bite its freaking head off, right? Again, we still have that strong bullish that we're creating. That could give us a green candle in the next one. Maybe for a retest of 58. Again, I'm not going to like it if we hit it and we don't get above 58. Again, we're looking for a move to 47. Again, potential double top. Probably coming into play. The move target, or the move, the target for the move would be here, 49. We usually expect an 18% move after we break, and we broke here. So, and if we fail to get above, and we're still not sure if this double top is going to play, right? I had another XRP chart here, I think, that I was playing with another idea. Yeah, we're looking at this as a sort of symmetrical triangle. Of course, it's not coming into play. Different ways to look at this, right? Not because I want to be bullish or anything, but look, this could be a move down, and this could be a move down, right? So sort of like a downsloping channel now. Is it the beginning of a downtrend? At least in the short term, it looks like a downtrend. That's a little Nicky reference. Yeah, that's a little Nicky reference, dude. It's Rob Schneider saying, "Bite its freaking head off," right? When Ozzy Osbourne grabs the bat. Good catch, Silco. Finished the coffee, dude. Again, last night wasn't too good. I woke up. I kept on like having this weird dream that I woke up and XRP was at like 30 cents, dude. It just sucks, dude, when you're like going to sleep and you know the market could crash at night. because it's showing that instability, right? And we're looking at it, and I've been talking about it. It's looking unstable, right? We went too high too fast. We're gonna get pullback. We've been saying that for the last 2 days. We're getting that move down again. On the daily, it just looks like it's flagging, but here it no longer looks like a flag on XRP, right? It's starting to drop faster. But on Bitcoin, it just looks like a flag, right? Look, we're starting to flag, right? We're starting to move down, consolidate. We pump back above 17,781. That's great. Again, moving back up. Let's see if we can confirm closing here, and then we could try to continue or resume on our climb. Again, like I said, even on bull trends, right? On full-on bull markets, we get movements down. Dapper Romeo, what's up, brother? Not a lot, dude. A lot of stuff is down, actually. Your question should be what's down, brother? Everything's down today, right? Ha ha ha, returning that joke back to you. Amore, so true, 2017 December made me scared to sleep in Bitcoin. Yeah, dude, especially if you're doing good and you have a good profit and it could just vanish like that. You tend to start having these weird dreams, right? Where you wake up and you believe the market's going down, dude. Dapper Romeo, hope I made money on XLM last night. No, dude, I still haven't sold my XLM. I'm still waiting on it, right? Because I just have very little XLM. That's all I got, dude. I got it free. So I haven't looked at my XLM bag in like over a year, man. I just looked at it because people started to say that it was pumping, and I haven't looked at XLM before that. So, it's free money. It's still free money. It's still making me dough, so that's fine. I guess around 16 cents. It's still making me some dough, right? So it's good, man. I'm not worried about that. But thank you guys for being here again. All of you, thanks for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like button. That's up. Show some love to the channel. We are here live. 25 people watching. Oh my god, there's so many people watching. Thank you all for being here. Wow, a lot of people must be wondering what the hell's happening with crypto. We're getting a flash crash, right? We talked about that. Maybe a lot of people had longs. We got the move down. They're getting liquidated. We're getting that insane flash crash, and then we're pumping back up because the market's stabilizing again. So usually when we get those flash crashes, the worst thing you can do is sell, because we always get pullback, right? You want to wait for this to stabilize and then see what's going to do, right? If you bought down here, that's great. You're catching a falling knife. You can play that game, right? But when you see a massive bar coming in really quick, usually we tend to pull back up halfway, right? So if that halfway, you're seeing it still coming down, you can try to buy it, right? And still make some quick profit on that. That room, you're getting that 16, jumped out at 23. I haven't jumped out, dude. Amore, time to teach those leveraged a lesson. Yeah, dude, leverages suck, dude, because they're not really buying Bitcoin. Sometimes, most of the time, it's just a Bitcoin-ish representation, right? And they're 100 times leverage, so they just like drop real quick, right? It's just a gambling market, leverage, right? If you want to buy an asset, just buy it. Shorting, I would get using these sort of markets for like shorting, right? When you believe it's gonna move down and you short it. But with the leverage they're handling, a lot of people get liquidated too fast, and that drops the market because they gotta buy back the position or sell so they can like cover their positions, right? Either case, right? So if you're shorting and it goes up, you gotta sell to cover the position, or you gotta buy, to cover your position. So that's why we see that pump back up when it's dropping, and then when you're long, you gotta sell to cover your position. So that's why we get those drops, right? I'm good with spot trading. Yeah, I need to get your ass eaten. Yeah, it's okay, right? Soka didn't get they banned leverage trading on crypto in UK. I'm not sure. I can tell you this though. If you're gonna use leverage trading, just be careful. You can get screwed, and you would lose 100% of your dough if you're not good, right? That's why you get liquidated. You lose everything, I think. Or you get stopped out of your position, so you lose whatever you put in there. If you're gonna use leverage trading, try to do small leverage and mainly for moves to the downside, right? For shorting, because if you want to go long, just buy the asset. Why leverage trade on a long position, right? You're just buying so many contracts for an upside motion that you're not really holding the asset. You're in the UK, you can still use leverage. You just need to take a quiz. Wow, that's cool. It's dropping down again. Support. XRP is probably doing the same thing, right? Why not? Everyone's following Bitcoin. That's the name of the game. So I'm just gonna check real quick here. What is EVT doing? 2.8 sats. What? It pumped. Oh, it's more or less where it was yesterday. Great stuff. We'll do DVT in a second, though. and Litecoin and Binance that we haven't done. Waiting for this to settle, man. So we're already at a new hour candle, I guess. So is this open now? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We are, and we're still pushing back down. But again, look, now this is becoming support. We're struggling to get below that area, right? So, and this cannot keep on playing from bullish divergence. It sucks. Let's go to XRP real quick. At 55, halfway through. Still moving down again, we knew. But XRP does have bullish divergence. Is it going to move up? If Bitcoin says no way, it drops. It's not going to move up. XRP went up after I got a stream. Yeah, I know, dude. I wasn't going to sleep. It started to do this move here, right? Because we left here, so 11, and then started to do this move. So I went to sleep very nice, and then when I woke up, it was up here at 70 plus, right? And then I was dreaming that it was gonna crash. I should have just gotten out today in the morning. That was my plan. And I was talking with Soka here on the phone as we had dropped here, and I'm like, dude, if it gets here, it's gonna reject, and I think that's a good exit. And it dropped back slightly, and then we started to do this thing. But on the half hour, I was talking with Soka, and we were like, he said, look, what it's doing here, right? It's starting to look a little bit like what they did here at 20 p.m. last night. So we hit that area, rejected, right? It's like maybe we're doing something similar, right? So I decided to stay, and then here we kind of got close to it again, and then we just dropped, right? And then by this time, the technician was here because I got new internet connection now. Great stuff, dude, because my old internet sucked. Using bang goes in place next year. 5 simple questions, and you're in like January. XRP went up after. Yeah, dude, I know it went up. Is it a good time to invest in XRP? David Salinas 9. Is it a good time to invest in XRP right now, dude? Right now, it looks like the market's moving down. So, if you're willing to buy and take a risk on it moving down, that's fine. Otherwise, I would say wait for it to settle a little bit and then try to get a position. A position, right? Who might have had, yeah, 8, and then the less here. All right, so we do have some strong bullish divergence here on the RSI, so that's fine. Or against the MACD, sorry, on the 30-minute chart. So let's just anchor that to 30-minute, and otherwise, it's gonna be messing around with us in another time scale. But thank you for being here. 26 people watching. That's so amazing, dude. It's a good stream, dude. We have so many people watching. 71 people have playback so far. Thanks for the reply. No problem, bro. Again, do I think it's likely to go back up? That's what we're trying to determine. Right now, I do believe we could do a small movement up on account that we have some bullish divergence, but it just hasn't kicked in. Right? With the volatility that we have, I rarely go into this smaller time scales. But with the volatility that we have right now, I've just been going into the shorter time frames to try to see to get an advantage, right? Because on the 1 hour, it's not making sense. On the half hour, it's okay. But 15-minute, 5 minutes seem to be a little more accurate with what's happening with the market right now. 760, 866. So I'm going down to like the 5-minute chart, and I rarely go there because I'm not doing like day trading, right? I'm doing swing trading, but I want to take advantage of some moves intraday, and that's why I'm looking at those shorter time scales, because it's just there's so much volatility out there that it gives us time for this place. Look, we got to squeeze in the Bollinger Bands, right? Volatility left the market, and then we drop down, creating that bullish divergence against the RSI. We're going to move the map from sold to sold again, moving up slightly. We might get to that 20 at 58, right? That would be more or less congruent with where we have our resistance here, right? This is 58, 20, 72, so we might be looking for a move maybe up here, maybe close to it. We might find resistance, and then move down. Again, still trying to figure out what XRP is going to do right now, right? So I'm not calling it a for sure thing written in stone, David, but thanks for asking. So it seems to be cooling off a little bit. I'm going to go look at Litecoin. Hopefully we're not going to crash on that couple minutes, and I'm looking at Litecoin to figure out what Litecoin's going to do. By the way, if you guys have any requests, let me know, and we'll look at it on the stream, right? On the daily, Litecoin moved down, hit that 20, taking a rejection, right? Again, recovering like the rest of the market, so that's fine. We had the bearish divergence. When we went down, there's nothing bullish. At least not. Yeah, maybe here. We might be able to work with this. Right. Right here, dude. Again, I'm not going to put a lot of faith in this, but because we do have lower areas here that are slightly lower. But if this drops slightly more, we might still create that hidden bullish. Something coming up in the chat. ADA and XLM, I guess you wanted to say. Right? Rich Satoshi, how's it going, man? S&P dump Friday? Maybe. It is Black Friday, so it might dump. ADA and XLM, sure, man. We'll do ADA. We already did ADA, but we'll do it again. I'm not sure if we did XLM already. I think we did. I just didn't write it down because we're flying through stuff. Hit the like. Yes, hit the like. Thank you for reminding people to hit the like. Rich Satoshi, you're awesome. What's going on here again? Right? Have that bullish. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence. We called that out on November the 24th. So yesterday at 6 a.m. We knew we were going to get a movement down. We're getting it. That's fine. We were warned by the market. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the other side to a lower point. Just sold at 36.17. Nothing going on here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What's happening on the 1 hour, dude? We had this kind of bullish that we were looking for. I was looking for. Some of you might not have been looking for that, but we don't have it here on this shorter time scale, right? We kind of lost it. And I do believe we might still have it here if we come from back here, right? And that's fine, because this is all one island, so I'll just move that to there. We got that nice pop coming, right? And then we knew we were going to probably get it here. So in this all one line, and then here, one line. So hidden bullish, action to the upside, and sorry, we don't have hidden bullish. What? We lost that one. I thought we had it, but no, we did drop lower. So more negative, and then lower on the other side, so no, nothing there. I'll just move that to here. Low, lower, low, lower. Yeah, we didn't have anything there. We should get a small bounce. Got above the 20 briefly, and then we said, "No, I'm cool dropping still," and then we just popped back down. Got near a fib node here. I do believe that would be my 50 retrace. Yeah, no, that would be the 382 because it's the 50. That's 618. I'm just looking for the colors because they're very, very close together. Taylor James seems consistent across all coins. Taiwan taking profits. Probably, dude. That's what I talked about. I joked about that earlier with Soka, and I mentioned it on the stream. David Salinas, smash the like button, brother. Thank you, man. Thank you for smashing the like. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that sub. Be awesome. Dude, yeah, there's Taylor, James Taylor. It looks like China's taking profits. I was talking about that with Soka. I said, look, man, it's Black Friday. We sometimes get movements during holidays. And it's like China wants to take advantage that people are out celebrating, and it's not Lunar New Year for them, and they just drop on the market. They just sell when everyone's home. I saw a drop on Christmas 2018. That's when Binance went to like $4, right? And then you could have bought it $4 and ridden all the way to 40, right? So, yeah, it seems like, Asia's like, oh, dude, lazy people in like Europe and America are going to be celebrating something, and let's dump on the market. Let's take advantage of that, right? Mr. USMC 2085. David, did you go to health to Heath? Dude. What? People that might know each other. Awesome. So I'm not sure, dude. That I just said that as a joke that China's selling, but it does seem that sometimes when there's holidays, the market does tend to drop because people are not watching it. They're more busy being entertained and doing other stuff, and we do get these drops, right? Amor, it's all good. It will cool off. RSI is already free. Move higher. Yes, it's true. It's cooling off the RSIs, and I like that. We know there's two ways to cool off the RSI, right? We move down quickly, or we move sideways and we slowly cool it off. So if we move down, we quickly cool off, and we try to bounce higher again, or we're ready for a bounce. Jim Stellar, Monday might be an opportunity to top off on some more crypto. Yeah, it depends on how much you spend on Black Friday and on Cyber Monday, right? If you're out of cash, you're not going to be able to buy more crypto. But if you're holding on that, you're getting a crypto sell, right? It's going down. Yeah, I do believe China's dumping on the market, or Asia's dumping on the market. And we could be trying to get back in at a lower price. That would be fine. Shopify ONG had a nice pump today. That's good, man. I haven't looked at ONG. We'll look at that. Spotify ads. Dang it. Let's play something else. Again, since I cannot play copyright music, I have to play copyright-free music. Why pay for Spotify, right? The only advantage I get is there's no ads, but I really don't care much about the ads. I just refresh, and play it again, right? That's how this stream goes, man. It's on random. Format movie clips. Shall we hold or sell the Bitcoin? What's next? What's what we're trying to determine, dude? Wait, James Taylor saying too cheap on useless electronics. This is better, yeah. Amore is saying I don't get why ONG pumped and ONT barely moved. That's a good question. We'll look at that though. Crypto Boomer band looks interesting on the daily. We'll look at band, dude. Again, yeah. I'm writing down what you guys want to look at. So let me finish Binance, Litecoin, and Binance, and then we'll look at whatever. All right. $78.30 right now for Litecoin, right? We had the bearish divergence. We had the hidden bullish. We tried to get above the 20. Failed. Moved down. Rejected the 20 again. Low, lower. We might have created some bullish divergence here. No, lower, negative, more negative. We didn't. We took a bounce again, rejected, and moved farther down. Great, dude. There's nothing bullish going on here, right? It's dropping and dropping, dude. And again, this is because it's following the rest of the crypto market. Really not much going on than just following the crypto market. Everyone's following Bitcoin. So if this is going up, Bitcoin might also be going up. Yeah, look at that, right? 18,065. That means XRP is also probably going up. XRP also going up, right? Look at that. What did we set? 58 something on the 5-minute, I think it was, or the 15-minute. Oh, close, dude. Yeah, it was 58.59, right? So close to our rejection area. Moving down slightly. We don't have any bearishness right now. High, low, right? Everything's good. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Ethereum's also probably doing the same move. I told you guys, market's moving in sync, right? Same move. Yeah. Said band looks interesting. All right, cool. Let's go and check out Binance. Binance on the daily. We're looking for this bearish move. We did get it here. We pumped. That was great. We were hitting $34, $36 at some point in time. So you get $30 right now. We don't have anything going on here, right? High, higher, positive, or positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Just now moving down. Neutral 52.68 again. Reset the oscillator on the other side. That's fine. Could try to run again. Let's go to the 4-hour. This from the 1-hour chart. Or no, the 4-hour. We're going higher, right? We had bearish divergence. We called this one out yesterday. We're here live, and we're getting that drop, and then we try to recover. Failed to go higher than the previous high. We talked about that, and then we take that drop. Do we have something? Yes. Again, same stuff that the rest of crypto has. And that is hidden bullish divergence. That's what we have, man. That is what we have. I'm not going to call it here. This is slightly lower, so that's fine. Sitting neutral at 40.63. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. JS, are we recovering now or going deeper in the hole? Dude, I think we're just getting a small bounce. So, still yet to be determined, right? That's what we're trying to see. Now, we're looking at even shorter time scales, right? Or time frames. We're looking at the 5-minute, we're looking at 30-minute, stuff that we rarely look at to try to determine whether or not the market is moving up. I do believe we're still getting a bounce. Right now, it looks like we're kind of losing it again. Damn it. JS, are we... yeah, that's what we read. If it recovers, can we guarantee 20K? Dude, yeah, if this recovers, we have a good shot at getting to 20K, I believe. We got to move back down, right? We rejected our 19K area. Binance, we have something here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point. Yeah, nothing bearish here. Right, the last time we had this hidden bullish, we took that rally. We failed to go higher than the previous high. Strong bearish still kicked in and moved us down, right? We talked about that being a possibility last night, so... No surprises. Look, Bitcoin on the daily, dude. I talked about, on the 1-hour. I talked about rejecting this area. Yesterday we got very close. Today we actually hit it at 7 in the morning. We failed to go higher than 19,496. So what are we doing? We're moving down. On that moving down, we moved to the next target that we have for support, 17,781. At some point in time, we even dropped to 17,225, but we managed to close above 17,781. So we knew we were going to get a good shot of doing this. And I even said I'm going to wait because we might close the candle above that resistance. And look, we've wicked down. We hit it as support again. And we're bouncing back up. That means that Bitcoin right now seems to be one and staying within this range. And on this movement down, we could be gathering a lot more strength. Because look, we went oversold right now. So we could be getting more strength for another pump to happen to maybe try to go to that 19,496 with a little bit more strength, right? Have a look at Neo. I'm buying. I would like an opposing opinion. All right, cool. I'm not sure what your opinion is, but we'll look at Neo. James Taylor, Forex. Could you set your clock when China, Taiwan, and walk out to take profits? Scary sometimes. Yeah, China. You're looking at around 7 to 9 in the morning, and then Europe at 2 in the morning or so. Or 1 to 2, 3 in the morning, I would say, right? JS, another channel, is saying that this is a dump game and Bitcoin going to 12K. I don't believe that, dude. I rarely look at what other YouTubers say. It could be, dude, right? Like, someone will say it's going to go to 12K. Someone's going to say it's going to go to 25K. One of them is going to be right. It's, sometimes people just hype and FOMO, right? Because they know they're going to get views. I don't do that. I don't care. I'd rather get honest views from doing like a good review and like talking about real targets than, you know, trying to do something else. Bitcoin Jake, I caught this knife and I'm 85% profit on the long. That's awesome, dude. That's really good, Jake. That's cool, man. I don't long. I don't play long or the short games on leverage. What's going on always goes up. Yeah, but it's also the opposite, right? It's called gravity. What goes up also comes down. Let's go and check out some of the stuff you requested. Bitcoin Cash we already did. We already did ADA. I'm going to do ADA again because we got it requested. So let's go do ADA, man. It seems like we're recovering, struggling to get above this area still. 18,096 or 18,900 or 18,098. So, you know, let's see if we manage to get above that area. Right now, you know, not super worried. Still trying to pull back up. If this turns red and starts to get to this area again, you know, start to get a little bit worried. ADA. 13.55. Oh, dude, we bounced. Where? Fifth node, the 1618. Remember, we looked at that earlier. 1618, right? This was all the 100%. You know, we haven't shifted it, but, you know, we just said, look, I'm a little bit where is that? And it seems to have held support at the 1618, the old 1618. And we're bouncing back up. Now, we do have a resistance here on another fifth node that is at 13. We haven't hit it yet. Then we have another resistance here at 14.99 and then at 17.15. We struggled with this area, right? We were talking about that the other day. And we're breaking down on that. High, low, high, low. High, low. So nothing bearish here. Nothing bullish either, dude. Because we have these islands of separation. I'm going to consider that. And, you know, some people might want to say that we could go from here to here. And use the low back here. To new low here for some strong, some hidden bullish. It could be fine. It could be an argument, but I don't believe that. I do believe we're bouncing off support. And again, all crypto's doing the same thing. So what do you think crypto's doing? Following Bitcoin. That's what we should be analyzing, Bitcoin. Because everyone's going to do whatever Bitcoin does, right? Right now, Bitcoin is the Lord Savior of crypto. We'll just call it that. I hate all these videos, again, on my homepage for people just making up numbers of where crypto are going. Yeah, I agree. Thanks for doing, Thank you for your time doing this. Best channel I've seen so far. Thanks, James Taylor. Guys, hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? You support me with your subs. That's awesome. We have a sub target. It's not going up though. That's weird. Down there, or down there, it's a sub target, and I think we're at 11, maybe. I'm looking for like 25 subs this week. Not sure if we're gonna get them, but thanks for being here, guys. Also, Barn and Stinson hasn't come online saying, like, what's up? What's up? That's usually what happens when someone subs. Getting that movement up, right? Again, so ADA. Again, so I did it on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had the bearish divergence. We have this kind of bullish divergence hidden. This one I did call out earlier, right? So we're looking for this in the 4 hour chart. That's great. And then on the daily, right? We don't have anything because we just went massively up, higher here also, right? So we're just moving down. We're highly overbought at 83.62. I told you guys, we went up too high, too fast. We're going to get pullback. We've been talking about that for the past 2 days. Pullback happening on crypto. Pullback happening on crypto. Here we came down, hit that 20 on the daily. And pushed back up on Cardano. That's it for Cardano. Let's go look at XLM. Next was XLM. And then there was only one. No, I'm kidding. We have XLM, ONG, Band, and Neo to look at. Still, so if you got any requests, put them on the chat, and we'll look at them. There could be only one. Highlander. I haven't seen Highlander in a long, long time. And Sean Connery's dead. What? The daily. What's happening with XLM? Again, rejecting, right? The 618. rejecting that area. We knew it could happen. You know, it's fine. Went up too high too quick. Again, same stuff with XRP, right? We got pullback. Look here, we gained 48%. We're just pulling back now, 9% today, and then 1% the other day. So around 11% maybe combined. Because we get that 1% on top of the 9, right? So let's look at this. Yeah, 10.69, so almost 11. We don't have anything on the daily, right? Overbought still at 77.26. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4 hour, we're looking for this bearish divergence, which we still tracked out to here. We tracked that onto there, right? And this, we have it here as well. So strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour for XLM. On that note, we're getting that movement down. What's happening with that movement down? The same stuff that's happening with all of crypto. Everyone has this. Everyone is creating this hidden bullish divergence, and that's where we're getting this potential bounce. We also found support at the 20 on the 4 hour chart. Right now, again, finding support there. This stuff. Store thoughts on Spark airdrop. Yes, we'll talk about Spark. Let me write it down. Let me get through some analysis, and then I'll get to Spark. Anyways, moving up. Great stuff. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart XLM. We hadn't looked at XLM today. I thought we had, but we hadn't, because I didn't have anything charted here. So we had the bullish divergence charted, right? We did climb back up slightly more until 4 in the morning. It went to 22 cents. That's great. I think Crypto Boomer said he took profits there. Or maybe up here at 23 cents. That's fine. I didn't. I haven't. So I'm still good on it, right? 17 cents. That's great. I got it free. Whatever, dude. I don't care where it goes. It's just free dough. It's just sitting there. I can sleep properly. What I care about is where I have my actual money sitting at, and not the free money, and that's the other crypto assets, right? Again, I analyze everything equally with the same passion and the same time and detail, but for me this is just like, I'll analyze it because you guys request it, but for me it really does nothing because I just have such a small amount of XLM. It's not a coin that I ever got into. They burned half their supply back in like September of last year, I think, or last year I think, and it didn't do much for them. So yeah. Crypto Boomer, I sold it all at 70. Yeah, but that was for XRP, though. I'm talking about XLM Boomer. Boomer! Moving lower, again. Nothing going on here, right? Maybe something here I'm missing out? No. Let's see. Where did we close here? 22.63, close at 22.59. Slightly less. Lower and lower. So now I'm not going to call anything here. I could go with this one. I'm not going to like it, but I could go with this one. All right, going up there. Going up there with the stars, and then coming down here. So some kind of strong bearish, right? And that's probably what moved us down. That's the only thing I could attribute this movement to here on XLM. But again, it's just following the rest of crypto. This is red, very likely. Bitcoin is red, so I'm gonna go check out Bitcoin real quick. Make sure it's not turned red. And it is. See, I tell you, everyone's doing the rest of the stuff. XRP, I didn't buy any. That's awesome. Nice. At Crypto Boomer. Yeah, dude, that is nice. See what I told you? We can look at whatever we want, very likely, and they're all going to be following Bitcoin. So, candle Bitcoin is red. So, let's see how that's going to play out. We did excellent. Let's do ONG. Someone requested ONG. I think it was Shopify. And then someone else jumped on the ONG. I think Amore jumped on the ONG. Are you planning on buying XRP again, Crypto Boomer? That's a good question. So, are you going to buy more XRP, Boomer? Let's look for ONG, dude. I'm not sure if we ever analyzed ONG here, so let's go check that out. ONG. I looked at ONT and OMG, so not ONG. Since there was no request for a pair, I'm just gonna look at it against Tether, or dollar calculated by TradingView. That's fine. Where's ONG? Ontology gas. Oh, cool. Ontology has gas. Right, so let's go on the daily. What is this sorcery? 182% up today, major pullback of 29%. What is this sorcery? Why is this green bar here? Just joking. I know why, dude. We had bullish divergence. That's why. Hello? Hello, McFly. Anybody there? Alright, hello. Bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. This is just insanity. For some reason, it just went skyrocketed today. Something must have happened. Crypto Boomer, this is not financial advice. I think XRP is going to go up again. Melanie, dude, yeah, we're looking at that. Let's get to 58 cents first, and then above 58.70 to determine whether or not we're going to go up. I do believe we can get a bounce, but if we don't get above that target by the time today's candle close in the day, we're looking for a retest of 47 cents. I think it was the target. We'll look at the XRP again, though. All right, so stay tight. I'm catching up with some of the requests that we have from viewers, and then I'll go back to XRP. Crypto Boomer, but I have been by a little bit all the way down. That's nice, dude. Yeah, that's nice that you're adding on to your position, bro. ONG, that's it, dude, right? On the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. It's just insanely dropping. Again, higher. There's not going to be any technicals here because we just went to the moon, right? And now we're crashing. We're getting pullback. That's normal. We went up too high, and what must go up must come down. So just sitting bought at 64.10. Nothing to call here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. You know, going insanely high, insanely high, insanely high. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, and higher. So, yeah, nothing there. Moving down. Near the 20. Trying to recover a little bit. This is starting to look a little bit like Bitcoin, like we said, right? So, again, just starting to do what Bitcoin did. They're all following the Bitcoin. Let's go check out Band. Because these girls don't even know the name of my band. But they're all over me. Like they want to hold hands. Thanks, by the way, great stream. Thank you. If you like what we do, hit that like that on that sub, right? If you don't like it later on, you can always unsubscribe. It's free. Great stuff. You can have great content and entertainment and then unsubscribe when you no longer want it. And it's free. No pesky cancellations fees. Or people on the phone that you gotta talk to cancel anything. Right, so Band had bearish divergence on the daily. Moving down on that, that's great. We do have some technicals for that. Don't seem to be acting a lot like the rest of crypto, right? But it is moving down a sizable candle. Getting it below the 20, that's fine. We don't have anything against the RSI. Last time we looked at Band was back here. Had bullish divergence. We looked at this on October the 8th, and then we took that small pump. And then what happened afterwards? Well, I'll tell you what happened. We created our new negative momentum island that I was telling you guys here that we haven't had, because, you know, we usually say that when we're anchoring to a positive here. And now we can also go from here to here and say, look, it's there. We have strong... we don't have it here against the RSI. We have strong bullish divergence against the MACD, and that's what got us to pop. Now we're creating strong bearish against the MACD, and that's what's moving us down. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, oh no, we have more bearish divergence. Going up higher here. Let's get this on the 4 hour chart. Let's get this on the daily. There we go. Coming lower and then coming lower also, right? Again, right now, moving up slightly green. So if I go to Bitcoin, I bet I'm going to see green. Oh, still slightly red. Oh, I missed that. So Band is recovering a little bit better, let's say. Or it's failing to catch up with the market. Let's go back to Band. Now it's red. So it was failing to catch up with the market. Bitcoin also moved slightly more down. So now it's catching up with Bitcoin, right? What's going on? Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side to a lower point. Nothing bullish. Below 20, it looks like we rejected it. We're moving down. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, right? Same as Bitcoin. Now it's green. So that must mean Bitcoin's probably going green. Let's see, because it's going neutral now. So probably Bitcoin's pulling back down. But Bitcoin's slightly red. So yeah, probably Bitcoin pulled back down. And that's why this one moved down also. So Band, we might see Bitcoin was turning green again. Haha. Band, green. What do we have here, dude? High, low, high, low, high, low, low, lower. All right, we had some bullish divergence here. It's very slight though, but it's strong bullish divergence nonetheless. And here we're going here, and here we're going here. So we had strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. For price action to the upside, we just failed. High, higher, high, lower, hidden bearish against the RSI. Action down. Dropping, hit the 20, try to get a bounce. That high failed to go higher than the previous high, so that bearishness still kicks in, and that's what dropping us down. We try to get bounce here. Not too bad. Again, we're coming from a low to a lower low, right? We had some bullish divergence. It just didn't play out nice, right? Because we just kept on developing more negative momentum because all crypto dropped. Congrats, Bitcoin, for ruining the party for all the coins out there. Oversold at 25.27 on the RSI. That's it for Band. What else? Neo. Let's check out Neo. Spectre! Your name's back. Awesome. What's up, bro? Thank you for being here. Wow, so many people have stopped by the stream. 104 playbacks. That's so nice. It's green. Sorry, before I go back to Neo, let's make sure we are the one. Yeah, it's green. Man, I'm hating this. We're about to close this in like half an hour, so the half-hour candle is probably neutral. Yeah, it's supposed to red. It's not pretty. Let's go to Neo. XRP killed it. You got the Canadian drop. Wow. I'm not sure if that's good or bad for you, but I feel you, bro. Let's go check out Neo. What? Week down to 62? Wow. Canadian. That's probably a lot, because yesterday you said it was near 1, right? Or 99. Or 2 days ago it was near 99. Dude, Bitcoin is going red again. I'm not liking this, dude. Might test again, 1770. We fail here again. See you at 17,222. Very likely, right? So let's hope we can stay above this area. Try to catch a bounce. It looks like we're stalling, or slowly trying to reject lower prices, but not looking too good. Let's go to Neo. Neo. Dude, where is Neo? I can't find it. I know we looked at it before, so I'm just hunting for it. Neo to the dollar. On the daily again, same stuff like crypto's doing, moving down, hitting the 20, finding support, rejecting the 618. Right, it's fine. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on their side to a higher point. Everything here was good. Again, following Bitcoin and the rest of company. So again, that movement down. Again, support and bounce. Let's go to the 4 hour. Coming higher and then high to low. High to low here. Yeah, I like this one better. High to low. I'll tell you why in a second though. Because here we're also going to get it against the RSI, but I'm going to do this in 2 parts from here to here because we didn't have it here against the RSI, or against the MACD, sorry. But here we have it against the MACD and the RSI, and what I'm looking at is this move here, to move down, again on divergence against the RSI, and then pump back up, and then again more strong bearish divergence, but now against the MACD and the RSI, and moving down. Look beautiful. We try to hold support here at the 50%, then we broke here, and then we resisted at the 618, and now we're moving down below that 786. Neutral at 41.73. That's it. There's hidden bullish. Before I forget to call that. Going there, and then from here to here, and here to here. So again, potential for stalling. That's what we're getting. Week down 62, 104 on Discord. Just send me something on Discord. Great. Also, if you want to engage with me off stream, join me on the Discord. You can send me stuff there, like memes and other stuff. So, expect you're sending something here. Wow, yeah. Dude, I see that. 104, week 60. Yeah, that sucks, bro. At least it was recovering a little bit. Like, guys, really, for reals, control risk. All right, this drop could come with bounce. I'm not sure it's gonna be a big bounce, but you should control risk at all times. Knee on the 4 hour again, hidden bullish. On the 1 hour, coming higher, coming lower. I'm just gonna call it against the RSI because we do have some small islands here that would not allow me to anchor properly. And let's go there and say, look, haha, action to the downside, moving down. Now, low, lower, negative, or negative, low on their side to a lower low. What? Someone subbed. Great stuff. Thank you, Victor Miller, for the sub. No, that was good. You got filled? Only because you were trading Canadian? That's awesome, bro. Right, that's it for Neo, right? There's no bullishness. Again, trying to get above that 786, but not yet gone there. Let's go and check out. So we're closer to our sub goal. I'm not sure how many we have. All right, but let me go to studio mode real quick. Yeah, 12 subs, awesome. For some reason, sometimes people sub and it doesn't show up, and like Barney Stinson doesn't say what's up. But and it's not the what's up that Barney Stinson say. Actually, I got that what's up from Scary Movie. Ha! Quick trivia there. Let's go check out Spark. No, someone said talk about Spark. Yes, who said talk about Spark? All-time high viewers? No, I think I had more viewers the other day. We're at 29. Right now, it just says I have 24, but it's very near all-time high viewers. Thank you for asking, Spectre. It's been good days with all this volatility. Someone requested that I talk about Spark and give you my ideas. I will do that. And now someone also talked about XRP again, so I'll just scroll up to see who was who. Melanie asked about XRP. I'm going to talk about XRP. And then James talked about Spark, the Spark airdrop. So James, yes, I'm going to talk about the Spark airdrop. I hope you still with me. Spark, what is the deal with Spark? Well, we talked about that, right? Spark is going to be a token that is going to be released by Flare, right, in their network. It's going to be pegged, or you're going to basically get probably one or more than one Spark for every XRP that you hold in your bags. So if you're willing to add right now that is dropping, it would be a good time. How does this work? They're going to mint a Spark for every token, except for certain XRPs that are owned by Ripple and some Ripple Explorer employees or Ripple Labs that they're not going to be able to claim it. 45 billion Sparks are going to be made, and the snapshot is going to be taken on December the 12th. And here they said that only on participating exchanges you're going to be able to claim. So there is a list of exchanges that they have out there. It's going to refresh. You have Vulcan Trader, Anchor Dollar, Binance, BitBay, BitBay, BitBNS, BitThumb, Bitrue, Bitstamp, BTC Markets, Celsius, Coinfield, CoinOne, CoinSpot, Crypto, eToro, eToroX, Fubblegate, GitHub, GoPax. There's a lot of exchanges. KuCoin for some of you. They're added more. Uphold, but Bitso, one of the major partners for them, it's not here, so it's weird. Yeah. All-time high viewers. Yeah, nice. So yeah, that is what Spark is happening. So it is a bullish. It is a bullish event for XRP. Because you're gonna get a Spark for every XRP that you have or more. 4K way. Too much panic selling. Yeah, there's too much panic selling. So for Spark, you're gonna get some nice. You can get some free Spark. Don't know how much it's going to be worth. No one knows yet, right? It's going to depend on market value or market sentiment at the time it comes out. Could be the next uni. I doubt it. There's too many of them that's going to be minted. 45 billion, but it's still free dough. So if you add more XRP, you'll be doing good. What else is happening with the Spark that I want to mention? Yeah, have to have the money on a participating exchange prior to December 12th. And exchanges are going to handle the process. Basically, I think they're going to give it to you on your wallet. I'm not sure if the exchanges are going to immediately open trading books for Spark. But yeah, it's not 45 billion. It is. That's what they're claiming here, dude. How many Spark tokens are available to claim? 45 billion. No, they're going to mint 45. But if you're on wallets that are registered, you're going to be able to get more than one. No, 45 billion is the max, dude. 45 billion is the cap. And then, look, the right to claim 45 billion Spark tokens will be proportionate. Will be a proportion, I think, to each remaining address according to their proportional XRP balance in the snapshot. This may result in valid claimants receiving more than one Spark token for each XRP token that they hold due to the non-participating exchanges being excluded from the distribution, but they are being counted on the 45 billion tokens that are distributed. Wow. Any firm news because of Coinbase crash? When did Coinbase crash? Did it just crash right now? Because yesterday I couldn't log into Coinbase. I even put it on Twitter, dude. I was struggling. Oh, dang nice. Yeah, Spectre, it's nice. That's what I'm saying. If you're adding XRP and putting it in your wallet, or you can get it from an exchange or from a self-custodian wallet, right? So yeah, with that, Coinbase released a statement about JT recently. Dude, 4K way, dude, that would be awesome if you send me that on the Discord. That's usually because here it's not going to allow you to post links. So, but let's do that. Let's look for Coinbase. To meet the Coinbase account. First of all, gotta do that. Otherwise, it takes me to Google Mexico, and it brings all the articles in Spanish. Coinbase CEO: Trump administration may rush out, burn some crypto wallet rules. That'll be awesome, right? If they rush out. Well, they're saying they're going to be bad crypto wallet rules. Coinbase disables margin trading following guidance from Commodity Futures Trading Commission. So yeah, Coinbase is disabling futures trading. Watch out for that. XRP price spikes to 90, crashes in seconds as Coinbase goes down. Yes, that's what happened 2 days ago. And I was super pissed because I couldn't log in. Recently, check their Twitter. All right, cool. Check their Twitter. Do I have Twitter open here? Nope. I have Twitter open here. Let's open Twitter. Spark from commitment to being this from October 16th. That no more. Our perspective on upcoming story about Coinbase. Upcoming story about Coinbase. Spiritual expansion. Nope. Our CAO. This is from November 19th. When do you want me to look at stuff, dude? Because it's not here on their site. Earlier today. Is it this one? Right on. I want to give you a heads up. The New York Times planning to publish a native story about Coinbase in the next few days. Times has told us they plan to publish a story on print, Sunday, and online. Some before that, many know, not popular reporter. Times has been reaching out to current employees. Had their experience at Coinbase last few years. All right, I'll do generally to alert the company of upcoming native media stories. The team felt that I had was all right. So they're talking about something different, not the crash. So I'm guessing I gotta look for tags for Coinbase, I guess. So let me go back here. Coinbase says it will end margin trading. What? Alright, cool. So it reloaded. Coinbase. Bittrex Exchange. Kraken, Bitfinex, and Huobi. To announce their position on the Spark distribution. XRP holders are the exchanges on the Spark. Alright, need to move to another exchange or self-custody if these don't announce soon. So basically they're telling you that Coinbase, Bittrex, Kraken, Bitfinex, and Huobi are not participating on the Spark token drop. Right? That's cool. I'm checking their Twitter, dude, so I couldn't find it on their Twitter. Twitch, Coinbase take a stand on the right side of an issue. Treasuries we're planning on rushing out some regulations regarding self-hosted crypto wallets. For the other time, I'm concerned that this would have unintended side effects. Dude, why do they try to keep on ruling on what we can do and not do, right? Oh, you cannot have a wallet now. Why? The government's not there to rule what we can and cannot do. We talked about that the other day, right? The role of the government's making sure that people get together and that what the majority wants gets done, not what they want or they believe should happen. The government that we have right now, it's so far from the government that the founding fathers, decided it should be, right? It's not that freedom. It's not what's best for the people. It's what I dictate. It should be best for the people because I'm the government. I tell you what to do. That's the government's stance on a lot of things now, right? They dictate what we should do. And they don't ask people whether or not we want these rules. They just impose them on us. And that is a far cry from what government used to be, and really having the people be heard and the will of the people be preserved. Now it's let's save the companies, let's save the banks, let's all get rich together, our friends, and the people can screw themselves. They'll just work like, slaves all day for bigger wages sometimes, and we'll still tax them, and we'll take their money because we need to get paid with their money. They put us here in power. We take their money to pay ourselves, and we still screw them in the end. Yeah, that's how governments work, right? Anyways, what is this? Coinbase Trump administration may rush out. Yeah, dude, I'm not finding anything on this. If you have the article, send it to me. I'll check it out. Coinbase disables margin trading. CEO Trump administration may rush out. See, that's why the centralized exchanges are becoming the best thing to do, right? James Taylor, we're in a paradigm shift. It's a reversal of history from the Industrial Revolution. Yes. Yeah, but the government's going to fight tooth and nail to keep their power, and banks are going to fight tooth and nail to keep their power. That's the way I don't get it, dude. All right, so the banks can custody crypto now. Why would you put your money in a bank if the whole point of putting money in crypto is to get away from a bank? I don't get it. Some people are going to do that. Like buy crypto on PayPal. Yes, it's bringing a lot of crypto awareness to people, right? But why would you put it on PayPal where you're only, at least from what I last heard, you were only allowed to buy and sell to PayPal, but not to other people, and you cannot withdraw your crypto to your wallet, you cannot withdraw crypto to an exchange, you can only use it on PayPal. Why, dude? If the government tells PayPal to freeze your accounts, you have no access to your funds. Again, not your keys, not your crypto. That's why they don't want you to have your wallets, and that's why they're going to try to regulate them. And guess what? Crypto didn't ask permission to exist. Self-custody wallets didn't ask permission to exist. The government's going to tell you something, and a lot of people are not going to give a damn, and they're going to keep on having their crypto on their own wallets. Anyways, Well, we're trying to deal with the CBDCs. Yes. People do it for the insurance factor. Yes. James Taylor, you think they'll ban conversion of crypto to CBDC? They plan on replacing current fiat. They can try, right? They can try, but there's still going to be ways to get it. And it's still there, right? And there's you're going to be able to trade it to some CBDC, or that you're going to be able to get it into crypto, because not all banks are going to do it, right? We know already that Maldives, I think it was, or some small island country, they were having trouble with the printing of their currency, right? They had problems because they had to like get materials, mint the coins, ship the bills to the small islands, and then it was a problem of flow of cash through the islands. If a lot of cash went from one island to another one, then they didn't have enough to cover stuff. So what they were doing is they were going to do their own central bank crypto for them. So it has a use case for some islands, right? They're not going to have to mint. They're not going to have to like waste money on gas for the small barges to take the money to the small islands and distribute it. They're going to save on printing paper and minting metals. So yes, it is the next step. So they could try, dude. They could try to ban it. I'm not sure. There's still going to be like ways to get around it, right? You can, like, if I have Bitcoin and you send me some of your CBDC, I might be able to sell you some Bitcoin under the table, right? Or yeah, there's ways to do that. They're not going to know that you're getting it, but I'm still getting dollars and you're still getting Bitcoin. The CBDC to a person, and that person is gonna, like, you're gonna trust, or he's probably gonna go on a smart contract or something, and you're gonna get crypto on the other end. There's probably gonna be ways to get around it. Anyways, Victor, isn't XRP crypto bank hedge play? Yeah, sort of. I mean, XRP is just trying to like facilitate the friction of money flow between borders, at least on what they're saying up front. James Taylor, underground economy will develop. Yes, or gold. Yes, or gold or barter. Right? We're gonna go back to like, you want that? I'll give you my watch. You give me that. Right? I'll give you a cow. You give me 3 sheep. You know, whatever. Look, we're forgetting something, right? There's so many people out there that are going to be left out of CBDCs that are not going to be able to do it because either, well, I'm not sure if in the US, but in some countries, right? There are marginal areas that don't have internet. They are on small towns that, you know, like, are going to have an old person factor, let's say, that people are not going to be willing to change. So it's going to take a while for that to happen. And you're going to have the people that are the homeless and the poor people that don't have enough to buy a smartphone to have that, or they're not going to have, you know, they're like, you know, the homeless, what are they going to do, man? They depend on what you give them every day, basically, on money. If you take out the cash, how the homeless going to leave, right? There's people in very marginal areas that don't have anything, at least in some developing countries. I can tell you right now, we saw that in Mexico with what they're doing with the schooling. People are, they're putting people, they did school through the internet, right? There's people that don't have internet. Okay, so they put people, school on TV, open TV network, or yeah, like, you know, open TV, for them to be able to get their classes on TV channels. There's people that don't have TVs, man. So there's people that don't have TVs. There's people that don't have cell phones. There's people that don't have internet or access to internet where they live. They're not gonna be viable in some countries, right? Maybe super developed countries and first world countries. Yes, we're talking about like CBDCs are like the next step, but in some countries it's still gonna be a lot of friction, and they're not gonna happen overnight. And you know, we'll see. Anyways, that's why the WF, UN, IMF, and so on want to consolidate politicians. Maybe, bro. Let's go back to crypto, though, because we were looking for the news. We didn't find them. Send me the article. If you want to send me the article, send it to me on the Discord. Links in the description. And I'll check it out gladly, because I couldn't find what you were telling me about Coinbase crash. James Taylor, in Canada, there's already a big push to eliminate personal ownership of homes by the CMHC. Yeah, that sucks, dude, because then... you know, why is the government wanting you to get rid of your house? Why do they want to take away your right to have a house and own territory? Right? The governments are scared. And we as people shouldn't allow them to do that, right? We should, like... I was talking about this the other day. Right now in Mexico, if you want to go to a store, you have to scan a QR code before you go in, and they're doing all this in the name of, well, alert you if someone with COVID visited the store. Really? I'm giving away my freedom. The government wants to know where I'm traveling, where I'm transiting, and where I'm entering. And they're doing it all in the name of COVID. That is dumb as hell, dude. I'm like not going to any stores because they asked me to scan. I'm scanning, or I'm saying I'm scanning, and they have no way of knowing, but and I'm putting other people's phone numbers in. They're not gonna know that I went there, dude. Dude, screw that, and screw the fake pandemic. I know, dude. There's it's weird, right? How they're handling this and how they're taking away our freedoms slowly, and on the name of fear. A lot of people are willing to give up their freedom. I do believe that if they do that, and a lot of people start feeling oppressed, we're gonna start seeing a revolt of the people on the government again, by a new revolution, a civil war, if you will, right? Again, of people that are pro and against what the government are doing, and it's not far off, dude, right? I'll show you that real quick. I think I took a picture of that because I found it, and they impose it on you. You have to take the picture, otherwise you're not allowed to enter the shopping center or anything. It's this, right? It's this QR code that they're wanting you to scan. It's in every store. It says, "Protect yourself and protect the others." Scan this QR code with an app on your smartphone, and you'll be notified if anyone assisted this area with COVID recently, right? And then it says, or you can send an SMS to the establishment 15515, right? So whatever. So what they're doing is they're wanting people to. They want to know where people are going. Yeah, if someone had COVID, but do you really care that much? We already know that the mortality rate for COVID is so low. Do you think the government is losing senior? Maybe a reason why they're not backing digital currency yet. Dude, losing what? Victor, dude, I didn't get it. Seniority range? What? Please retype that one word. Losing seniority range? Seniority range? Let me know that, because I didn't quite get that. Soka, people are too oppressed now for revolting. Not like it was before. Yeah, but sometimes, look, you can only kick a dog so many times before it actually bites you, right? Business in Canada is starting to refuse lockdowns. Adamson's BBQ in near Toronto Start Hill. Yeah, that's gonna be the case, right? People, like, I could walk into the mall. What are they gonna do? Like, get the cops to get me out? Get the cops to get me out. They're infringing on my right to transit freely through the country. I'm on the street. I'm walking on the sidewalk. If someone walked there with COVID, I'm not gonna know. It's the same risk as going to the mall, right? You don't want to get COVID, don't go to the mall. They don't impose the tracking of people. Victor, senior ranch is difference in face values of money, such as like 24 quarter at the cost to produce it. Dude, they don't pay a quarter to produce a quarter, right? I think it's worth less than a quarter. But no, I do believe CBDCs or digital currencies are going to be the next step. Hundreds of us are there every day to buy and support the resistance. Yeah, I know. Right? Because the U.S. government, 5 cents to produce $1, and senior range is 95 cents. The difference is between the two amounts. Yeah. Yeah, but with cryptos, that's gonna die out, right? Because they're just gonna have a pre-minted account, I guess. Not gonna cost them anything to print more money. It's just gonna be easier for them. They just gotta code it in, and like no printing of dollars, right? They'll just automatically print it, boom, overnight. 21 people viewing still. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that's up, right? Dude, it's really depends, dude, right? Good. Fuck, crypto's still going down. Going down, that means Bitcoin's going down, so it could be at resistance again. Or support. 7,764. Yeah, below, dude. We don't want to be below this area. That means we're going to come down here. 4 minutes to go. Push it back up. And that means everyone else is moving down. Why was I getting distracted? Come on, XRP, dude. I know XRP could potentially go for a move to 49 and then likely 47. So I'm thinking I might get out of XRP. I'm waiting to see if I'm going to get more pullback here, though. I'm waiting for a retest of 58. Yeah, dude. Yeah, see, this is how they're gonna control people. They're gonna know and be able to track how you're getting every dollar. Right now, if you get paid $5 by your neighbor, like you don't have to declare it. At some point in time, they're gonna tell you, well, you got $5 from your neighbor, you gotta pay taxes on that because you got more money as part of your income. So you gotta like we're gonna tax you on those $5. Right? Wasn't the whole point of starting a new government here so that people didn't have to pay taxes, and the whole Boston Tea Party thing was also because of the whole no taxes? And after that, people yeah, they remember that for a while, but all of a sudden they stopped that, and they're jamming taxes up our buttholes every time, and no one cares about them, right? It's just wrong. But crypto's the way we get. The crypto's the way we go against all of this, right? That's why we just turn into other cryptos and not care about what they say, right? Like, why? Look, it's something that I have against like taxes and how they work. I'm, as a person, got taxed on my money, and I'm willing to put it on a risky investment to try to increase my value of my money. Why are you gonna tax me on my capital gains when you already taxed me my money once? And I'm taking all the risk. The government's not taking all the risk. I'm taking all the risk of my money. It could go to zero. I could lose it all, and they'll be fine. But if I make money on my money, capital gains. You got to lose money. Why? Why should they tax me again on money that's been taxed, and I'm risking and I'm putting at risk to get a return? That's dumb, and we shouldn't be allowing that to happen, right? That's just weird topics. Anyways, exactly. We need more dexes. Yes, we need more dexes, dude. Because you already know, dude. If you put your money on, Binance, if you put your money on Coinbase, and the government says freeze that account, they gotta comply. You cannot access your funds. That's when you don't put money on the exchanges when you're gonna trade. But dexes are gonna be the key, and the only thing that centralized exchanges are gonna be good for are gonna be onboarding dough and offboarding dough. That's it. You can do everything you want on dexes, and then the government's not gonna know how much you're gonna hold. They're going to ask you to declare all the crypto wallets that you hold. You think people are going to go and declare wallets that the government doesn't know who's holding what? At some point in time, they're going to be able to track them to you once you move the money from that wallet to an exchange. But they're really never going to know for sure if it's you or someone send you money there, Imagine that, dude. That would be a good revenge tactic, right? You hate your neighbor. You send them like $1,000 or $10,000 or $1 million of Bitcoin to their wallet. Now they have to declare it, bro. And the government's probably going to be targeting them for having much more on a wallet that is not theirs. And it's going to be weird. Anyways, exactly. We need more decks. Best decks today. Yeah. I'm not sure, dude. Dudex, I guess, is fine. Or whatever this one here is. I think it's Dudex. Block DX, I think. It should be okay. Most secure in the centralized exchange. Block DX. I think Jake uses Dudex. I'm not sure how good, or if they're on decentralized exchange, but I know BlockDex is supposed to be. I think BlockDex is a decentralized exchange. Decentralized exchange, right? A Dex. Decentralized order book, decentralized order matching, non-custodial, trustless, private, native assets on chain, instant trades, open source, uncensored. Lower fees, unstoppable, atomic swaps, fee sharing, cross-chain, liquidity network. Get started today. I haven't used them. You gotta download the client. I haven't used them yet. New hour, still going down. Fuck. I hate this. Music to your ears, yes. BlockDex, I mean, exchanges, decentralized exchanges are the future, man. Really, it's just, I'm just pissed about the fact that I have to scan a QR code every time I go somewhere. And if people don't start, like, giving shit to the, like, or, like, not really opposing that right now, that's going to become the new normal. You want to go somewhere, you're going to have to, like, send an SMS to the government saying, dude, government, big brother, I'm going to the store. Just so you know, right? Just so you know, you're aware that I gotta go to the store. But I'm going to this store. It's just freaking dumb. There's like 5 countries that don't tax you on crypto. Yeah, I know. We should all move to those countries. There's better countries out there. You don't like your country? Move to a country that you like. And move to a country whose laws you like. And then, you'll see, as soon as people start moving money into crypto, Bitcoin, etc., more people start getting into it. Banks are going to start fighting back tooth and nail, and governments are going to start fighting back because you're taking away their power, right? I think McAfee said that, and he said that look, the only way to be free is to be to have your cryptos and your keys, right? That way, the government cannot freeze your assets, and if they cannot freeze your assets, they cannot oppress you Because right now you talk smack about the government, in some countries like, China, etc. They take away your money, they freeze your assets, and you cannot do anything, right? Just for talking about the government. So they oppress you by holding the money because they know that the money is the power. But with blockchain, they cannot freeze your assets, thus they cannot control you, and thus you're really free. Just move to another country you like, and then you can talk smack, and they cannot freeze your accounts. They cannot do anything to your money, right? You still have it on exchange. You still have it in your own wallet. That's like 5 countries. Yeah, this all at the bottom. It's painful. No coin is immune by the looks of it. Yeah, what assets? I don't have any assets. What's an asset? Well, an asset is something that it's in the behind us. You should call it an asset. Some people have large assets. Some people have small assets. Some people have concave assets. I'll learn at that, man. Dude, yeah. It's starting to stall. I guess a lot of people came in because the market was crashing, right? So we talked about pullback. That's great. We're getting it. Trying to find support. And look, I hadn't looked at this in this channel on the way up. We did topped here, and it seems that more or less where we're kind of bottoming. I'll just put this here, and there's going to be new support. It could be that we're hitting this area, right, and finding support right here where we topped off, right, at this area. And before this impulse up, I didn't have anything here because it was a straight shot, and it was a quick move, right? We moved up, flagged a little bit, and moved back up. But now we have created this as support. It became a small resistance, let's say. It became support now. So it could be that we're moving there, right? I didn't have it before because we didn't have this on this area. Now we have this at this area on XRP, and it could be that we're flagging there. Have no assets, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Do I have, as we smile and Canada revenue? Yeah. Look, Bitcoin, right? Trying to stay above that 70,781. We gapped up on the opening, opened right at that spot, right? Opening at 70,783. So we have 70,781. It's like $2 off. We're finding support. Again, I'm worried that we drop to 17,225. This is dropping 4%, but for XRP, it's 11%, right? And for Ethereum, it's okay. It's 6%, so it's fine. 22 people watching. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. 147 people have stopped by. Thank you. Wow, what's the highest amount of viewers that we had? 28. That's awesome. I think that's the most we had. I think we didn't get. I think we had 26 last time or 2 days ago. I'm here every night, guys. Every night. We've been live for about a year and months now. Here in like 3 months. So we've been here in the bull market, and now we're here on the. So we're here in the bear market. Now we're here in the bull market, and potential start of a downtrend. I'm not calling it a beginning of a bear market yet. We're still bullish in bullish conditions. Let me look at the curve. Could be that we're breaking out of a curve here on the daily Bitcoin. Let's see. Yeah, we're moving down, dude. I'm not liking this. This could start the crash outside of the curve, right? Out of that, exponential or parabolic run that we had. Finding support here. If we manage to move back up here by the end of the day, we'll be fine. Staying below here could start a move down. Just saying, right? James Taylor, okay, time. Okay, time to get viewers up to 500. Spread the word, boys. Yeah, thanks. If you do that for me, that'll be awesome. We've been live for a long, long time. I think we're at like 200 and change now. Maybe 300? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how many people have subscribed today. I just got one that said what's up. The other ones haven't said it, but sometimes YouTube doesn't recognize them for some reason. We're 87. 287. Great. We've gotten 6 more subs today. Great stuff. And 16 likes. That's awesome. 20 likes now. Great stuff. You guys want to look at anything in particular? I mean, I haven't looked at RSR. I haven't looked at DVT. I'm going to look at those real quick. Let's do RSR, and then I'll tell you why I'm going to look at DVT, although I look at it because I have a massive holding there. Where is RSR? I moved RSR to the upside today. That's why I'm not finding it where it was before. RSR at 18, right? Took a massive drop yesterday, took a massive drop today, still below that 50% retrace. Dude, I should have gotten out here when I said, remember how I told you guys I was going to hit this level and I should be getting out here? And I didn't. Because I thought we were going to hit it again because I missed it in a day. That's, yeah, we didn't actually hit it, right? Because in the 1 hour it's not there. But that's bad. XVG, sure, Jake, we can look at XVG. Did someone say XRA at some point in time? I think. I just haven't looked at XRA, but we'll look at that as well because I have it written down here. Again, getting to move down, trying to bounce back up. Stupid of me not to get out here. Stupid of me not to finish getting out here. I should have done it. I could have bought back lower. Just, again, with this coin, I didn't put that much money in. I just put $100, so I don't care much for it. But I'm just being stupid at not following my own advice, right? Because I told you guys, get out here. I got out here at some. Then here, I got a little bit. And then I said, I got to get the rest here. But then I said, no, it's going to go up here. And I'm going to exit. On the 1 hour, it didn't get up there, right? I know that because we didn't trigger, right? Look, it just got close to it. So in the 1 hour, it didn't get up there. So I was waiting for this to touch up here before I exited. I just should have exited, not being greedy. Anyways, nothing here. Crashing down on bearish divergence. That's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. We had the bearish divergence, created the hidden bullish, took that pump, failed to go higher than the previous high, and we know that continues the bearishness, and we just moved down there. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on there, side to lower, lower, oversold at 28.91, now sold at 30.84. Let's go to the 1 hour. Something here in the chat. Lots of news about fintech partnerships with XRP in last month. When that for XRP to drive up price to accommodate volume. No. We had many news regarding XRP signing off banks, signing on banks, using on-demand liquidity. It's done jack. Sorry, Ripple doing that. It's done jack for XRP, right? So I'm not gonna really. It's not a discussion that I want to get into, man. It's just we lost the bullish divergence that we were looking for, by the way. We moved out. We had this triangle. We broke to the upside. That was great. We didn't hit the measure move. Started to break back down. Finding support at 1.7 right on RSR. Just nothing bullish, dude. Lower, lower, lower. Everything's lower. Oversold as hell at 25.76. So we're trying to bounce back up, recover some here. Found some support here around 1761. Well, 1.761. Sorry. That's it for RSR. Let's go check out. We got XRA. Let me do DVT first because we haven't done it today. All right, this DVT at 2.8. That's why we didn't do it because it was sitting at 2.8 sats on the daily. Let's go to 1 hour chart. When higher, positive, more positive, high on our side to hard point. There's nothing bearish here. High, higher, high, higher, higher. Nothing bullish there. Hidden bullish. We had hidden bullish. Here we went higher, and then here we came slightly with more negative momentum. So hidden bullish. Actually, to the upside, we got that other pop happening, which is good. All right, so that's great here on DVT. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Again, right? High, higher, high, higher. Now we are starting to develop some bearish divergence from back here. So high, low, low, high, and then low, high also on their side. It's hidden bearish, potential movement down. We did move down right now, trying to recover for this area. That is it for DVT, right? Let's go and check out the daily. By the way, part of the reason that I do this coin, one, I hold it, a lot of it. I hold a sizable chunk. So it's in part of my portfolio. And the other part is that I became part of their marketing DAO. Again, I'm not pushing or shilling the project on you guys. You guys can do your own research. You can go check it out. But I do it because I'm invested in it. And that's why we have strong bullish divergence. Actually, to the upside, we discussed that already. Stalling today. Yesterday, we got 27% gains. That's great. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's go here to XRA. We haven't looked at XRA before, I think. Nope. XRA $2. Dude, I'm just probably gonna do this on the daily and the 4 hour because it's too choppy. It's not good for charting, but low, high, 24164, 24186, slightly higher and higher. Nothing bearish. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Low on the RSI. This is just sideways, man. Yeah, slightly lower, I think. Very slightly lower, and then here we're coming in higher, right? So from that area, strong bullish. We got the small pop, and then moving back down, flat lining near the 20. I'm not gonna go any lower because this is gonna be way too choppy, and I'm not gonna go to real analysis for this. But it's sitting at 0.69 cents, right? I don't mind looking at coins, but if the charts are like this and they're that bad, no way I can run proper analysis on it, right? Look at the 4 hour. I'll just show you for the sake of that. Right? Look at this. It's too choppy. There's too much gaps. It's just not the best chart for charting, so we'll have to skip on this chart. Thank you for requesting XRA though. XVG, right on, Jake. We'll do XVG. Not sure if we've done XVG before, but if we've done, it's gonna pop up. No, we haven't. Right on, XVG on daily, right? Yeah, so I don't believe XRP is gonna pump on news. By the way, James, right? It's not pumped on news before, so XRP it's weird, right? It's like it's like the sick coin. Bitcoin Bitcoin coughs a little bit, and XRP catches COVID or some deadly disease, right? Because like you know, and I told you guys that the other day. XRP people are bullish as hell when they talk about XRP on Twitter. You'll see them being super bullish. It's gonna be the next what is it, the best digital asset ever created, the standard, you know, whatever. We hear all these things on Twitter, but as soon as the price of XRP or any other asset drops a little bit, XRP just like you know, it seems like the XRP army is the first one to get out of the fight, right? Because we see Bitcoin drop 1%, and then XRP drops like 5%, right? People are so scaredy with XRP. They're like the scariest investors out there because they always get out so fast, and you can see it every time, dude. Just look at the daily moves. Bitcoin drops a little bit, XRP drops massively, right? We've seen that, and it's just tiring to see that all the time, really. People get out of it so quickly. Anyways, bearish divergence. We'll move down on that. Low, lower. Let's go with this one. Right. Go lower. Negative, less negative. We're creating, sorry, I had this in the 4 hour. I had an anchor. We are creating a strong bullish, and with that, we're getting the price action to the upside. Isn't that awesome? We don't have it here. We don't have it here against the, so we do have it here against the RSI, right? We went from here to here. So strong bullish action to the upside. We got above the 20, found support and pumped. High, low, high, low, high, low, and then higher, and then everything's good. So let's go to the 4 hour. James Teller saying XRP is more like it hibernates and forgets to wake up. Not my cup of tea. Thought I capitalized on a bull run. Have no commitment beyond profit. Yes, same. I'm thinking about just taking profits and move on to something else. Right? Could it go to $3? Yeah, but I tell you what, Bitcoin recovered higher to its all-time high, and XRP hasn't recovered to the 236. I think we said, right? It wicked it, and then it just broke down. So that's it. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, there, set to a higher point. Then here, short term, we did create some bearish divergence from here to here. Higher on the 4 hour. Then the lower here. And lower here as well. Right, bearish divergence, action downside now. What are we doing? We already talked about this. All crypto's doing it. It's a hidden bullish divergence party, right? Everyone has this in the 4 hour. If you're not having it, you weren't invited to the Bitcoin drop. Ooh, that's a good name for a party. The Bitcoin drop. You should make a movie and call it that. Have you seen the Bitcoin drop? Right, look at this. Strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. Moving down. Great stuff. Are we doing something else? No. So we do have this stupid island here. It says low, lower, negative, more negative, low, there, set to lower point. Great stuff there, man. We do have some strong bullish here, though. And then from here to here. And I probably forgot to anchor this one in the 1 hour. Yeah. Damn it. See, if I don't anchor at the beginning, it's just I have to like redo everything because otherwise, when we go to the 4 hours, it's gonna be super messy, man. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. There we go. How many people will be live? 21. Thank you all for being here. Camille, doesn't Bitcoin drop happen December 31st at 11:59? Yeah. The Beastie Boy said, "Don't you let the beat drop," right? Because Bitcoin might go intergalactic planetary. Right? We're not sure yet. Look, trying to rally right on Bitcoin, trying to get above this area. It's good. Support at 17,781 is good. XRP though, I'm worried about. 56 cents, man. Trying to hold on to this area that we just drew, right? Let's see. Let's hope this kicks in, man. I'm gonna look at something else real quick. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna show anything, but Z1 hour XRP, it became a sell, right? It became a sell on November 24th. So if you would have sold XRP when they told you here, according to this super trend thing, it would be saving 9%. Great. Now, I'd rather do my analysis because we know we're double topping. We could have exited here, and then we talked about that yesterday, right? We talked about this double top and moving down. We talked about a lot of stuff that was a downward movement. So we knew there was a chance that we were going to move down. I think the 4 hour is still on buy, right? Barely. So Bitcoin drops below here, 52.21. Yeah, 55.21, sorry. This will change to sell, and we'll very likely be looking for a selling point. Now the fish are still on the move down, so we could still get this move down for the next couple candles in the 4 hour. And on the daily, again, the sell would be at 52. So there's still plenty of time to sell on here. That 52 happens to be support on the other chart that we have, right? Or no, 54. Or 54 is the support. Then let's see what the shorter time scale says. The 15 minute I think is still sell. Yeah, it's still hardcore sell. This 15 minute would have told you to sell here at 65, at 130, and then 17% right now saved on the drop. But it's telling you to get back in right now at here at 60%. But still getting in at 6% and then riding into the upside, it's not bad. Bitcoin 30 minutes look like it's going up. Complete a test. Yeah, it looks like it, right? Let's look at the 30 minute, man. Yeah, we might be going for that 20. This divergence still there. It's good. Don't have it against the RSI. Oversold. Could be going for that 20, man. That 20 being at 61 right now. I really want to see a test of 65. That would be great. I was live with Soka on a phone call here at like 1:32, getting this move, and I told him, dude, I want to sell part of my position, and then I didn't, and then look at that, I should have sold, right? I did. I mean, I already sold part of my XRP, so I'm waiting to sell a little bit more. That was a good area, right? 65 was a good area, but we'll see. Spectre9, same Discord, right? I'll check out the Discord. You send me something. What do you be sending? Dude, don't delete your images, dude. Leave them there. They're good for referencing. XRPL, NASDAQ. It just went insanely high and pulled back down. I cannot see this properly because it's too little. It doesn't look... let's see, open original. Yep, open original, I don't care. Let's see if I can work with it a little bit more here. Yeah, a little bit better, right? Crickets published in TradingView. Right, so what do you want me to look at this here, man? This gap? Is that what we want me to look at? That we need to close that gap? I'm not even sure where that gap goes from. I cannot see the numbers. Let me see if I can go sideways. Yeah. So that 33 to 45 cent gap, is that what you want me to look at? That it's there, massive gap that we probably want to close? Yeah. Yeah, I see that, man. It is a huge gap. I agree with you. Thanks for sending that, by the way. Usually by the time you tell me something, I think I kind of already figured it out, so. What do you want me to look at, right? Anyways, again, XRP is struggling, man. It's still moving down. Let's look at the XRP on the 30-minute Fisher, though. right? 30-minute. Still not crossed, right? So until we get this cross, we're gonna start moving up, and that's probably where we can start talking about retraces and try to hit an area, right? Something we can do on XRP, and we haven't done. So I'm gonna go to another XRP chart that is more or less clean-ish. This one seems to be a little bit cleaner. Let's go on the daily. Yeah, this one's more or less clean. I'm gonna get rid of this fib, so we already retraced past that 1618. We know that. So I think here I did it yesterday. I'm not sure. This was just a trend. Fuck, I moved the trend. Where are we at? We're breaking that trend, right? We're breaking that up rising trend. So not good. Can we move it? Yeah, we shift it probably to accommodate stuff, but it's not. Might not look the prettiest in the 4-hour chart or the 1-hour chart, wherever we drew this. Again, down sloping channel, right? What I want to look at here is the magical of the fib nodes, because we're retracing already. We're making a valid retrace, I bet. So from low to high, using the wicks, where we retrace below that 382. I don't like it there. Let's go with the bodies, and I'll adjust here for the bodies. Maybe there we go. Where we hit the 382 again, you know, finding support there, trying to bounce. So we're starting to retrace. We could retrace all the way to the 618 at 42. We still have that gap that gets us to the 786 retrace, right? The gap that you were talking about, Spectre. Could be that move, right? So we're going to be missing a lot of players over the U.S. Holidays. You think you're going to be missing a lot of plays over? Yeah, maybe, dude. I'm going to be here tomorrow, by the way, if you guys want to join me after your dinners. For me, it'll just be a regular day. And again, thank you all for being here, by the way. And being awesome supporters of this channel. And I'm not sure like why YouTube doesn't recognize all the subs, because the bar at the bottom hasn't moved much, although people have subbed. But only when like that what's up came through from Victor, it's when it registered. That's just weird. Yeah, I'll be here every night, dude. I'm here every night. So yeah, join me whenever you guys want. All right, every night at 9. It's weird the night that I'm not here, but yeah, I'm usually here. Freaking XRP, right? Alright, man. Catch you later, Spectre. I'll be here. I'm going to sign off with you guys. I think we're just stalling. Market's more or less stopped. We already talked about where we can go, upside and downside. James Taylor, I'm looking at Fiat Leak. It seems clear Korea took a bunch of profits and went home. Yeah. I told you Asia's taking profits, right? I think I'm just going to call it stream for tonight, guys. Like, it just feels like we're stalling. Market's more or less, you know, flat lined a little bit. I'll be here still tomorrow. You guys can join me here again. Thank you all for being here, and thank you for watching. It's so nice to have you guys here. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub. This is Tether Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Wednesday night. We went live for 2 hours and 16 minutes, you know. If you have any questions, I, talked about them. I think we covered everything that people asked. But on that note, I thank you all, and if you like what we do, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. So let them know that we are here. Tell them about this stream, man. I want to get this stream growing. So it's saying awesome stream. Victor saying thank you for the stream. Thank you guys. Again, I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.